repping the incident that happened. Wow, everyone's favourite here. Can't park there, mate.
Mental as well.
Stood out a mile away. Katie Price is here. S2000. Shan, no.
Knew I was going to mess up.
Forget the RX-7. Look at this Clio.
Ooh.
Why is this tucked over here? Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Forge Action Day 2022.
Yeah, now we're here at Castle Combe Race Circuit, which we absolutely love. It's not too far from us. A couple of little track sessions out today. My first time out in Combe.
Yes, so he's never been out on track, so yeah, stick around for that. That will be in a separate video.
Yes.
But we're starting this a bit late, you will see, for very good reason. We will explain, but let's have a quick walk around.
Let's check it out.
Obviously another car we've got here, repping.
Sweet.
Big up Kristen, yeah, there he is. Nice one, man.
Sorry, I'm gonna probably mess it up.
So there's a very special car we've got here. I love these.
It is booked in. Yeah. Right, it's a Mark II JZX 90.
Fair play, he nailed that. He was rehearsing it, but I'm surprised he did that.
It was in my, I knew I was going to mess it up, and as well, and I nailed it for once.
So for those that don't know, this is not a chaser, and Ben said he gets it all the time. It is a JZX 90 Mark II. Yes, they do a chaser on a JZX 90. This is not it. Mark II. We absolutely love it.
And it is booked in, so stay tuned for
this. This, we've been onto him for a while. Once again, he just wanted to get it, so he was happy with it. And yeah, we wanted to meet him, so we finally got the opportunity. These things, I mean, JDM badges, boosted badge, we all love it.
It's the noises they make, yeah. Do you know what I mean? So I really look forward to it.
We are both really looking at the noises of this thing.
And the interior.
Oh yeah, well, I don't know if he's locked it.
He probably did.
Yeah, he did lock it, but it's very, very 90s Jap interior, but I'm really looking forward to this one.
Cool as hell.
I do love an EG, and I do love one that's very clean. Love it. And me and Kenny were walking past it at the same time, synchronized, and oh, that's clean. We do love an E30, especially a 3-door.
Still badged as well, 318 IS.
Oh wow! And as much as we love modified cars, I do like seeing them.
I like that.
Very clean. So one thing I've noticed today that surprised me, we've seen a lot of DC5s in wacky colours, which you don't normally see.
I know that.
This is probably one of my favourites. We all love a pink car. And we all know I got a make weakness for Mark 1, so got clean. That's way cleaner than mine. Yeah, so I got a pink DC5 with all the pink details. I really like that. And of course, it's got a turbo that mine hasn't got. Love the car, man. Right, don't shout at me. There's a reason I'm filming this one. Mark 1. First of all, I need to do something like that. Really inspired by that, but look at the hardtop on this thing. It completely changes the silhouette of the car, and it makes it look like a totally different car.
It does, yeah. It's like the Mugen one for the S1000.
Yes.
Very similar, isn't it?
So do you approve of that then, do you?
I do, I like that.
Oh, okay. So you'll probably see from the track session we did, this has been out on track all day, and we were wondering what was under the bonnet. We have seen this in a previous video we did.
Yes, we have.
And I've got to say, it goes really well. It's not the type of thing you'd expect to see on track, but this is what lies beneath, so this is why it goes so well. Now, Civics seem to have the same effect that most Japanese cars do. You never know what's under the bonnet of these things. So you've got what looks like very nice EK, and when you look under there, not only is it K20s, massive, massive turbo as well. Love stuff like that. And right next to it, PS13, which always, oh, with my dream wheel, love those. And the chromes really work as well. There's something about black PS13. Wow. So another car I've always had a real soft spot for, Kenny's owned a couple of these. The SW20 MR2. And Kenny just pointed out, again, it's mad how something like that can transform the back end of the car. Really like the colour, and I do really like yellow. Just works with these cars. I think most Jap cars it works with, but they just look so good on that. Purple's another colour that's really popular, loving that R33, and I love the boosted aftermarket. Interesting colour on the E36. We were saying it's borderline green, isn't it? It's so yellow, it's borderline green. But these do make me miss mine, but like I said, mine was never that clean when I owned this, so it was probably a good thing I don't own mine anymore. I really am trying to limit the MX-5 content, I promise, but how funny is that? Look at the size, you can't really tell on camera, the size difference of those two is class. That's worthy of a shot, and that's cool. Can't park there, mate. Very special car here. If you know, you know. If you don't, then we don't want to speak to you. But that is awesome, and as soon as we walk past, Kenny pointed out, you're not impressed by much, but yeah. And it's unbelievable that these are factory. For those that don't know, it is a facelift, so it's a 3-litre V6 in a freaking Clio from the factory. And colours that are mad when everyone's going with wacky colours. I didn't like that at first, but that's really grown on me. And the way it sits on the rotiforms, can't go wrong. So going off Ben's JZX 90, this is a JZX 100 Chaser, big difference. I do absolutely adore these things. Just the shape on them, like I said, a boosted JDM badge, you just hits, really hits different. Ooh, and there's a very special RX-7 over there. Wow, look at that Clio. I forget the RX-7, look at this Clio. Why is this tucked over here? This is one of the best cars here. This should be out there. But anyway, Adam, as you know, we love this car, man.
He's already got a top 50 or something.
Oh!
I'm going to take it now. I'm going to do it instead.
Yeah, go put it on the Civic. Fair play, man. Well deserved.
Yes.
Nice. And
yes,
yeah. I wonder if it's open. It's going to have a go, should we? Nah. Get there, we didn't see this on track. Sort it out. Japanese muscle car. Now these cars hold a special place in my heart. My dad had one of these. Granted, it wasn't a Scorpio, it was a Ford Granada, which is basically the same shape. Now, when he passed away, unfortunately, I did actually look into buying one, but they are getting few and far between. I would love to one day do a build on the channel just to honour my dad. So these cars, whenever I see them, I get that feeling, it makes my stomach go, but it's a Cosworth as well. We got to do a build on one of these. I've just guilt tripped them into it, I think, so. Just looking across here, it's mad seeing what these become of, show-stopping cars tucked away in the corner.
Why, innit?
Exactly, yeah. But Kenny's had the wing on it, and another thing Kenny noticed.
You.
Me! He's got my number plate.
Look at all the wasps on that.
Whoa. That's insane. Oh, we love a race car, we love an E36.
Yeah, 240 brake, guys.
Is it?
Selling over you win.
Oh, I was gonna... How'd you know that? Wow. Talk about short, we literally stopped mid-conversation. Oh, and a Mark 1. Mark 1 Clio, always got a soft spot for them. But that absolutely stopped us on our tracks. And I've just noticed over there, many of you will probably know, my first ever track car was a Saxo. Actually a Mark II like that as well.
The one with VTS.
Yeah, as Kenny keeps reminding me. We've seen this a few times now, I do love this. That's a nice looking Civic here, there's a nice lip on it.
Do you know what? I really like the look of that.
Yeah?
With the gold on the black.
Yeah.
It looks
Do you know what? That really worked. Katie Price is here. Yes, this is Civic Jordan for those that don't know this, hence my joke. Loved it. God, that's clean. Yeah. It's nice to see one with the original B16 in fairness.
It's cool, fair play. I love the intake.
I'm just going to ignore you as... it's 14 now. Wow. Probably the most subtle dig ever. Those that know will know, that's cool. Yeah. I've seen this Evo many times, I can't think of the name of the guy who owns it, but absolutely love that thing.
Give us a shout.
Yeah, give us a shout, because that's cool as hell. And, run away from Kenny, because Mark 1, Mark 1, Mark 1, Mark 1. Oh, actually I'm glad the camera's rolling. Dean's unbelievable Mark 5. Actually, it's a Mark 4 with a Mark 5 front. ST170 boosted, is it?
I think so.
I've forgotten already. We love this thing, we've been out on track with this, and as you guys probably know by now, Matt's Ibiza, we have got a full track video on this, because this thing blew me away on track.
Isn't it?
It's really cool. Now, as you guys may have noticed, it is very late in the day now. We did have 2 track sessions, technically.
Yeah.
For those who weren't here, and for those who are here, you probably know, yeah, the incident that happened. Out of respect, we're not going to plaster it all over this video, but it did put a hold on the day for a while.
Yeah, well, we hadn't filmed anything. The plan was to get the track session out in the morning out of the way, and then come out and film, but obviously that happened around midday, so out of respect we didn't go out filming, so hence we haven't been able to go around all day.
Yeah, but we are, like, as you can see, we are having a good walk. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. But as you can see, we are having a walk around. We just wanted to throw that in there. We really do hope that everything's alright. We still have, nothing's been confirmed.
Nothing's been confirmed, but just fingers crossed.
Yeah,
okay.
yes.
Ooh, what have we here?
Childhood dream stuff.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, how dare you walk past that? Seriously.
Oh, do you know what? I was just so drawn to that, focused on what? Sorry. Yes. No, that is cool as hell. Look at the whale tail. Oh man, there's just something about these, and it's just. I really like it.
I've never been sold on the colour. I've seen it.
I haven't, but yeah, just to see this, it's just insane. Obviously, that is mental as well. And the Escort RS Turbo. Now these were my era, but I wasn't really a fan of them back then. But as I'm getting older, I'm starting to appreciate them a lot more.
I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. A Mark 1 Fiesta Cabriolet or convertible, if you're common like me. I'm sure, I was speaking to, I think it was Stu and Wirt who said there was a company that did these, took these from the factory and converted them, and it wasn't just Ford, they did it on loads of different companies like Vauxhall Corsa Bs and stuff like that. I don't know if that is the case, but wow, I've never seen one of them before.
Yeah, either way it's cool.
Yeah, and to complete the classic Ford lineup, Escort RS Cosworth. Oh yes, So Safe 5 is always one that stands out a mile away, sort of from all the way over there. Absolutely love the colour on this thing.
It's the wheels,
you know, the whole thing really works. If someone said a pink A5 to me, I'd be like, yeah, whatever, but that's cool, that works.
And the S14.
Oh, the S14. Wow. Wow. That's a bit of me. Love that thing. And we've got a beautiful example of an R32 right next to one of our favourite places. Right, before we pester Adam, let's have a quick look at Dan's S2000. You guys know this car by now, but what I do want to say, if you guys haven't seen the carbon intake and the PLEM and everything, it looks phenomenal. And one of the things he's literally just finished, I think it might have been like last night. You probably can't see, he's done all the underneath is all flattened, and he's put that little diffuse on as well, but it's all functional.
We need this back on the channel, Dan, so
yes.
Give us a shout.
Our videos are way better. Yeah, we need to get this back on. And of course, we all love Harry. Guess what, cuz? I've driven this, you haven't.
I know, I'm gonna have to drive it now.
No. Sean, no. But this is one of the cleanest, has to be one of the cleanest in the UK, if not on the planet. Very quickly, just found this on the floor, and I'm guessing it's there. Look at that, 297.
No, it's mine.
Yours is impressive, but not as impressive
No,
as
that is insane, isn't it? 300 horsepower.
Is his K24, so we'll let him have that, but yeah, that's impressive. Very quickly, I've just said Dan's done a load of new things. This is the first time we've seen it with the wheels, and I gotta say, the blue and the red really works. Even on the grey, it really works. And as Sean was just saying, he's got the red seats as well. But we need to get this on. We're going to guilt him into this as well. Yes. So obviously TGR Motorsport, he's still very busy, but we have got a discount code. Accelerate TGR. I'll drop it below. As you can see, guys, we did say we have started this late for good reason. Yeah. Everyone is packing it. We're going to have a quick look at the show and shine. I'm hoping there's still a few cars here because.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I know there's a few now. I think they're going on the top 50.
Ah, okay.
Doing like a parade lap. So
yeah.
What is he about?
Oh, hello. Hey, we like that. Stood out a mile away. We've always said we love our wacky. This is, I believe it's the factory colour as well. Love it. So like we said, not much left on the show and shine, but what an example of an R32. It's nice to see one pretty much standard, but absolutely gleaming. I imagine this is what it looked like when it was sat in the showroom. Amazing. So it doesn't happen often. Kenny made a very valid point. We haven't even been over this section.
Yeah, we do apologise. Like I said, we'd have loved to be able to film everything.
Yep, so if your car was down there, we do apologise. We already know we've missed a few people that we wanted to speak to that we've completely missed. But yeah, for all good reason, gutted we can't go down there. We have showed this before, but I love the livery on this now. He seems to change it up quite a lot. I really like this.
Yeah, he seems to change it up, but that is class.
Yeah, that really works. Another one of our favourite bars. I can just about see you, I wanted to get you in the video, fair play. I thought we missed this. This was on Show and Shine, one of the, everyone's favourite here, R34 GTR on what looked like genuine Nismo wheels. And one of our favourite Clios, Zoe's insane. I did a 182. Oh, you can't see the split, you just want to see the split from there. One of the best parts. Typical, it's just gone incredibly windy, but I had to shoot this. Ben, we need to try and convince John to do this to his Mustang. That looks absolutely, that sounds absolutely insane. So as we said, we're here on Team PH's stand. We have done this very late because as you can see, this was filled with cars. The only ones left are incredibly clean, boosted DC5. We've got the Nissan Stagea that everyone loves and one of the craziest 350Zs we think we've ever come across. Lifted, absolutely bonkers. That was Forge Action Day 2022. Yeah, the action is still happening around us actually. Yeah, it's still going on. It's been a bit of a weird day, like we kept saying. There was a bad accident on track, and like we said, we genuinely hope that everyone's okay. Still haven't done anything yet, but that's why this video's been a bit different. Yeah, it has. Obviously the mood here was completely strange. It was, yeah. It did really tone down everything, but like I said, we just hope everyone's okay. Yeah. But then after that, the track opened up, the atmosphere has definitely come back. And we always say we've had more of you guys coming out and meeting us. We've even had a few more cars booked in now. Yes. So stay tuned. Like we always say, we love it when you come in and introduce yourselves. We absolutely love it. So yeah, I think that'll about do it for Forge Action Day 2022. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Woo!